Amid the spike in COVID-19 cases in Karnataka, Congress has taken on the BSY government over the prices of ventilators in the state. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah accused the state government of indulging in corruption in the purchase of ventilators, saying that they were bought at a much higher rate than what is the current rate in the country. Now, the BJP, meanwhile, has refuted all of these charges. Here's a report on the political fight.
First, it was claims of alleged mismanagement of the coronavirus crisis by the Yediyurappa government in Karnataka. Now the opposition is charging the BJP government with multi-crore corruption in COVID-related purchases. The Congress has come out with a list of spendings where it says a 2,000 crore rupees scam took place. Since the start of the pandemic, the opposition says the BSY government has purchased equipment at inflated prices. According to the Congress, the government has spent around 4,100 crore so far on COVID-19 equipment. The Congress claims that while Tamil Nadu purchased ventilators at 4.78 lakh rupees per ventilator, and the same is available at 4 lakh rupee under the PM Cares Fund, Karnataka paid between 5 lakh and 18 lakh rupees.
When you are so clear, why are you not allowing Public Accounts Committee to function? Why are you stopping them? You are telling that you are going to give everything. When a minister, deputy CM can't answer, why is allowing the officers to speak?
The opposition has demanded a judicial inquiry into the purchases.
They are telling that they have spent only 324 crores. But according to me, the government has spent more than 4,000 crores, in which nearly 2,000 crores is misappropriated. It has gone to the pockets of ministers, officers, and all that.
The Yediyurappa government has rubbished the corruption charges. The BJP has placed on record data of ventilator purchase during 2019 when the Congress JDS were in power.
Information has been already provided by the government. We have come out very clear about how it has been. We are very clear about it.
The BSY government also said that till date it has spent only 2,117 crore on COVID needs. The BJP has also said it is ready for any scrutiny of all accounts and will place every document before the assembly. With Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.